And the gap filling did come up a bit early today in Bank Nifty. My target would have been this one over here, but this is one of the fresh charts, I mean the lines which I drew yesterday. My target would have been this one, because there is actually a very strong support over here. Exactly at this point there's a really strong support. Okay, did not meet my target. It reverted back from this support, and as you can see, Bank Nifty is rallying right now. A good amount of buy volume is also there. Okay. Where's the chart? Guys, please tell me if you can hear my voice or not. Okay. Gap filling is done. Gap filling is complete now. But there's a lot of weakness in Bank Nifty. You can see it. It's not rising that fast. Usually the gap filling happens super fast, but it happened really slowly today. And today is Friday. The market would be really sleepy. The market would not go up really fast or go down really fast. And in case of market manipulation, you might see sudden spikes. Let's see if we get a bloodbath today on the last trading day. But there will be a good amount of recovery even though there is a bloodbath. And the market is in a continuous downtrend. You can see it has reached 32,000. It was previously trading somewhere around 33,000. Now it's at 32,700. But it can recover really fast too. Bank Nifty can do anything, you know that very well. This support over here is really strong. You can see it has to break a number of good support over here to go down. Okay. Let's see what happens. By the way, what is Nifty doing? Let's also check that. हाय टाटा मोटर्स कब बाय करें टाटा मोटर्स बाय करना है ओके लेट्स चेक दैट टाटा मोटर्स एक मिनट रुक जाओ टाटा मोटर्स टाटा मोटर्स टाटा मोटर्स तो अभी अभी एक फ्रेश ब्रेकआउट दिया है आई थिंक थोड़ा कंसोलिडेट करेगा उसका तो बाई थोड़ा निकल गया है बाई निकल तो गया है बट बाय ऑन सपोर्ट में बाय करो बेस्ट होगा ओके यहाँ पर सपोर्ट में आए बाय करना स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ पर लगाना ठीक है अगर नीचे आता है तो पूरा नीचे आएगा तो स्टॉप लॉस हिट करेगा री एंट्री के लिए चांस देगा इधर यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा चांस है ये वाला पॉइंट में यू कैन गो फॉर अ बाय ओवर हियर ओके जस्ट पॉइंट यहाँ तक आ सकता है ये और अगर बहुत अच्छा न्यूज़ है तो कंसोलिडेट करके सीधा ऊपर ही जाएगा ओके अभी बाय मत करना क्योंकि अभी ऑलरेडी ब्रेकआउट दे चुका है एंड ऊपर जा चुका है कितना ऊपर गया है आज का है ना ये नहीं 9:30 हाँ ब्रेकआउट तो दे चुका है 9:15 से ऑलरेडी काफ़ी ऊपर चला गया है टाटा मोटर्स इट वेंट अप बाय 2.83%। अभी इसको शॉर्ट करने का टाइम है अभी इसको बाय मत करो और अगर बहुत अच्छा न्यूज़ है तो बाय कर सकते हो ओके बी केयरफुल Bank Nifty. ओके गाइस, इसको भी मैं यहाँ पर लगा देता हूँ। एक बार निफ्टी का कुंडली निकालते हैं। ओके, निफ्टी का थोड़ा हाल चाल पूछते हैं हम लोग, कैसा है आज निफ्टी। ऑल्दो निफ्टी इज अ बिट स्ट्रॉन्गर देन बैंक निफ्टी, ठीक है। बहुत दिन हो गया बैंक निफ्टी गिर रहा है, पर निफ्टी 15,000 का करीबी। And I think yesterday it even touched 15,000, I believe. Bank Nifty showing weakness. क्या हो रहा है? Yeah, most welcome, Sahid. Buy it on support, okay? Buy it on support, don't buy it on the resistance. You'll be at a loss. And Tata Motors is a good stock for the long term. Don't think about the short term. If you are an investor in this stock, you'll be earning a lot. Tata Motors has a huge amount of potential. All right. That's the reason why I don't do gap trading in Nifty. There's literally no gap in Nifty, you can see over here, but Bank Nifty has a significant amount of gap. So all those people who had done BTST yesterday, they would have been at a good profit in PE in the morning itself. Hmm. Well, guys, yesterday I had already updated the strike price for Bank Nifty, how to do the BTST. Okay, I could not enter because um, for some reason Zerodha did not update my profits which were in my account, so it doesn't take into account the recent M2M margin. I mean, the recent M2M mark to market profit, but it takes into account the losses incurred. Okay, as soon as you incur a loss, your account the statement, your account value would go down, but when you are at a profit, they'll take a lot of time to update the same. So I thought that I had sufficient funds for buying both call and put option 50-50 quantity. In Angel I could have bought that, but I'm keeping Zerodha specifically for the BTST trade. Okay, the main reason being that we can set targets over there, and that is really convenient for me. So yeah, that is the problem which we are facing right now. Zerodha does not update. Hi, hi Ishan, how are you doing? So yesterday's BTST would have given you a good one. So I was observing the put option. It directly went from, I guess, 300 to directly jumped from 300 to 500. And then your strategy would be, as soon as the market opens over here, okay, just observe the volume, see the price action a bit, and then square off the CE as soon as possible. Square off the losing trade as soon as possible and wait for Bank Nifty to approach the support. As soon as it's near the support, make sure you have your hands on the exit button. Okay, okay, if it does not show any weakness, if it's still going down, okay, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. You can see this, and this support over here. Okay, whenever you see that Bank Nifty is approaching a support, make sure that you have the exit button ready. Okay, and even if you would have exited over here, your profits would be quite substantial, I believe that. So it has given a really good delta movement yesterday, Bank Nifty. Even a 25 quantity purchase would have led to more than 2000 rupee profit in Bank Nifty. Okay, and the trade is quite safe. You can understand basically hedging the underlying and highly profitable trades. COVID, yeah, that's what I want Bank Nifty to go down, but the thing is that there is a really good support over here. If I show you this chart, yeah, what chart? Anyways, it's, I think all, yeah, that's what I really hope that Bank Nifty falls, but today it's Friday, so उतना एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं है मेरा, सब लोग तो सो ही रहा है. This is the point where Bank Nifty has taken a support historically, and I think that Bank Nifty might again take a support over here because there are multiple number of supports at this point, a huge amount of support. So 32,142 would be a buy point for me. Okay, and until this point, it's good for a sell in Bank Nifty. You can go for a sell in Bank Nifty, but before that, I would not recommend. And as you see, Bank Nifty is again falling, okay, a bit. Gap filling had taken place already in Bank Nifty, a beautiful price action. being observed in Bank Nifty, and you can see Nifty is doing the same, but there is no gap in Nifty. Let me check. Yeah, Nifty opened flat, okay, and I guess there was a resistance over here. That's why it opened flat and hit the resistance and directly went down. In case of Bank Nifty, mm, there was no significant resistance. Directly went down. Forget about any resistance. Directly you got a lot of points in Bank Nifty. Let's see if we can do a BTST trade today, and also a really good day for the EOD concept. 3 o'clock, dot 3 o'clock, you can try it with 25 quantities, okay, and I think you will be getting a good amount of profit. All right, and obviously you have to make sure to place the stop loss. The panic selling is not coming. I really don't understand how people are getting infected by corona again, even though the vaccines are out. I mean, I guess the vaccines are not viable for all people, I mean, all age group, only for the senior citizens, I guess they are providing the vaccines, and for the uh, nurses and doctors. It's very strange. And by the way, guys, be careful while taking vaccines. I was just looking at a few news yesterday, and uh, there were like 19 people who died after taking the vaccine due to blood clotting. Uh, and I think it was the AstraZeneca vaccine. I don't know about the Indian version. So, Titan is Titan is a good stock actually. See, Sahid, I told you don't buy it right now. Wait for the support. Buy it on support. Okay, this would be your buy point. Let me check Titan. Titan hack app. And Barbecue Nation has done really good after the listing. It got listed at a discount, and then a sudden spike in Barbecue Nation. I was just seeing that. Okay, Titan has already given a breakout. My God, it has already given a breakout. What's the percentage? Let's check the percentage once. Yeah. I think you can short it right now. You can short it. You can short it up till not much of a shorting, but if you want to buy it, if you want to be on the safe side, then you can buy it after it gives a pullback. Not right now. It has given a good breakout actually. Hmm. Wait for it, Ishan, if you want to buy this stock. Okay, wait for the pullback. It has already given a good breakout. And तो ऊपर जा ही रहा है, 9:15 9:15 में कहा था, somewhere around from 1565 to it went to 16. I think it has gone up quite substantially. Okay, wait for it, wait for it to come down. You can get the dips till this point. Can get these type of dips. Okay, safer entry would be this, and then you can aim for a good amount of target if there's any news over here. All right, just checking Bank Nifty once. Okay, I was speaking about Barbecue Nation. Did not give a good amount of dip, but it made a bull 180 over here, a perfect bull 180. You can see this, and now it'll go up. Okay, once a stock has given a breakout, don't buy it. Don't just go after the news, because as soon as you buy it, the stock will go down, because it has already given a breakout. But in the news, if they are saying to buy it, what they mean is that you can buy it for a swing basis or for the long term. Okay, so if you are bullish about a stock, always go for normal buy. Don't go for MIS buy unless you are buying it just when the stock is about to give a break out. Okay, let me just check Barbecue Nation. And this stock is also backed by our मोटा भाई. Okay, Mr. Junjunwala. तो इतना easily नीचे जाएगा नहीं. You can see that the stock got listed somewhere at a discount. Shorted. Very good. Very good, but be careful. Okay, be careful. अभी तो लॉस में जा रहा है. Place a stop loss, Ishan. Okay, do one thing. Place a small stop loss of 1620. Place a small stop loss of 1620. You should have shorted at that point only when I told you. Okay, your target would be not much. Your make sure that you अदानी का वक्त लग गया. हाँ, Ishan, make sure that you place the stop loss. Okay, place a small stop loss, not a big one, a small one. 1619 या 1620 अच्छा रहेगा stop loss. Okay, and अभी तो loss में जा रहे हो, so your target would be a small target over here. First target over here. As soon as it reaches 16.04, trail it to 1610. At least you are out with cost to cost, or just trail it till this point. Okay, make sure that you're out with a profit, and make sure to save your capital. Saving your capital is the most important thing. Okay, because we are here for a long time. Adani, you're saying? Adani is the star player. Adani Green, Adani Power, Adani क्या not सब कुछ. Adani is our star player. Come on, you have to give respect, pay respect to Adani. That company is doing phenomenally well, really well. Adani, Adani Port. किसी को इन्वेस्ट करना है तो अदानी पे करे. जब मार्केट गिरा था तभी ये इतना नहीं गिरा होगा. Okay, now it looks to be at a slight pullback, but over here I can see a trend line being formed. Okay, trend line over here, kind of like a trend line. Yes. Hmm. Not a very strong trend line, but an okay strong trend line. Okay, this trend line being formed over here in Adani, you can see this. Mm, 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 mm. My God. ठीक है, एक मंदिर जैसा शेप बनाया इधर में. ओके, फनल जैसा शेप बनाया, और अगर ब्रेक आउट देने का ही ज़्यादा चांस है अदानी. सिंस इट इज अदानी, आई वुड रेकमेंड, yeah, I would recommend buying Adani at these points, not selling it. Mm, these points, okay. Using the trend line analysis along with a good support, okay. 2, 3, 4. Hmm. Very strong support over here in Adani. Okay, I would recommend you can go for a buy in Adani at these points. 2, 3. Hmm. Okay, it has to break this support to go down. Okay, buy Adani at 8.15, and your target would be massive, obviously. Okay, let's just come to our स्टार प्लेयर बैंक निफ्टी. एक्चुअली बैंक निफ्टी का तबीयत खराब चल रहा है कुछ दिनों से. ओके, तो बैंक निफ्टी इज लुकिंग अ बिट वीक, but nifty on the contrary is still trading near 15,000. Okay, nifty is looking strong, bank nifty is looking weak. The reason is quite evident. Because of the corona cases, I guess people are withdrawing money from their bank account. हाँ तो ठीक है, काम कीजिए ना वहाँ पे, वो दुकान है ना उससे थोड़ा आगे आइए, इंपेरियल टावर एक होगा, उसके नीचे मैं बस स्टेप से उतर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, हाँ ठीक है, ओके. इंपेरियल टावर में मैसेज किया हूँ आपको, इंपेरियल उसमें आइए, मैं नीचे लेफ्ट से उतर रहा हूँ. ठीक है, टावर है वो. इसका क्या हाल है टाइटन का? अच्छा ठीक है, रुकिए आ रहा हूँ. Make sure you place the stop loss, Ishan. I told you to place the stop loss. Okay. Okay, you got a good one. Okay, you got it till 607. I hope that you trailed it. Okay, I hope that you trailed it because it's risky. It's risky to short it. But yeah, you were at a profit at some point of time. Okay, so I hope that you have trailed it at least a bit, or you're out C2C. All right. When the target is not met, re-entry would have been possible at these points, 614, 613. So yeah, so what happened to Bajaj? You're not trading in Bajaj? Okay, Ishan, I think you are again at a profit. Okay, so I don't know whether previously you had exited and you had re-entered in Titan, but yeah, you are at a profit of 2 points. Okay, this would be your first target, 1604. It has gone up quite substantially. A stock can never go up like that. It has to consolidate and come down for a pullback and then again go up. And recently I have been doing a bit of option selling, guys. The profit in option selling is really limited, but the consistency is there actually. A lot of consistency, and making the iron condor strategy has been a really good one for me. Okay, so yeah, if you are having a good capital, Ishan, I would recommend you can also go for option selling. Okay, you can sell all of the you can make a strangle basically in bank nifty, or let's forget bank nifty. You can make a strangle in nifty. That would be safer, because bank nifty मतलब कभी भी मतलब घूम सकता है ना. So if you make a strangle in nifty, the range would be really good. Futures trading in nifty and strangle in nifty, and options buying in bank nifty, btst in bank nifty. Choosing specific strategies for specific trades is the most important thing, and obviously investing in stocks always. The best part is that if you have a lot of investment in stocks, you should pledge it, and out of the collateral which you are getting, you should trade with small quantities. Obviously, I'm not asking you to trade with huge lots. Trade with small quantities, and you would be earning not only from the underlying asset, that is the stocks, but also from the active trades which you are making in the live market. That is the wise men's strategy, I would believe. If you are wise, I would not recommend putting the entire thing in trading. Okay, Tata Motors क्या कर रहा है? Okay, so Tata Motors has gone up. This was the pullback which it had given. It had broken this support over here, but it would be risky. Could not cross this resistance. So yeah, okay. I was checking out Barbecue Nation. Barbecue Nation. I mean the volume and everything in Barbecue Nation is pathetic. It's really bad. You can see this. My God, what the hell? टी 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 अरे बुक टी 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 क्या है? So the volume is very low in Barbecue Nation. I would recommend not to trade in it. If you are investing in Barbecue Nation also, क्योंकि इन लोगों का बफे का शायद से 1000 में आता है या 2000 में आता है, तो कितना जा सकता है ये स्टॉक, कितना कितना दूर तक जा सकता है. I started okay, what FNO and what Bank Nifty or Nifty. And if you are using Zerodha, it's really good, guys. So what Zerodha allows you to do in futures trading, you can exactly like say you are, you are bullish about Bank Nifty, but you want to buy it at a support. Okay, when you are doing options, you have to analyze the futures, I mean the index chart. Okay, then you have to see the volume, and then you need to go to the options chart, and you have to see the appropriate support and resistance over there. All right, but in futures trading, from Zerodha, what you can do is that you can directly place the order, and it allows you to use the cursor and place it at the exact spot. So when Bank Nifty is approaching the support and you want to go for a mean reversion trade, you can directly buy it at that support, and it can give you a huge amount of profit because your accuracy would be dot on point. Okay, so that's what I would also recommend. You can go for futures trading in Nifty. Bank Nifty in futures, I think you would need at least 40 to 50,000 rupees in your account for Bank Nifty futures trading. Okay, and I think the spread would be a bit higher in Zerodha. But the new feature which has been introduced in Zerodha, I really like it. Okay, so Ishan, you are at a profit right now. Okay, in Titan, as expected, Titan did give a pullback, but be careful. A very strong stock. Barbecue Nation, ठीक है, अदानी पोर्ट्स क्या कर रहा है और क्या क्या स्टॉक्स है हम लोग देख सकते हैं, देखते हैं. And today the market usually would be really sleepy. You would not get that much amount of momentum in the market unless all of the sudden Europe in London or in Germany people start dying of coronavirus. Then you might see a panic selling. Okay, anything can happen in the stock market. If you are sitting over here, you can definitely capitalize upon the opportunity in hand. Okay, see Bank Nifty not able to even cross these resistance which I have marked. Okay, a lot of resistance over here. So yeah, selling on rally would be the scenario for today until 2 o'clock. Let's see, after 2 o'clock anything can happen. Market manipulation would begin. And let me tell you one more secret fact. Okay, I have also analyzed Bank Nifty really carefully, and if I show you, the market manipulation usually happens exactly at 110. Okay, just look at this. It starts. So yesterday Bank Nifty was looking really weak. Okay, everyone expected it to go down. Okay, exactly at 110 the market manipulation started, and you can see boom, the big candle up, and then it went down. If I go back once again over here, let me, in a few cases I might be proved wrong, but you can see these green candles are coming with sudden spikes at 110. Okay, there is a good amount of manipulation. If I go back, let me show you. Hmm, see, 1.5, 110. Okay, market got manipulated again, a big candle out of nowhere. So these are really dangerous, and suddenly a huge amount of quantity is bought and dumped. Hi Vijay, good morning, how are you doing? Let me show you one more proof. Okay, 115. See, exactly 1.5, 110 the market tends to rise. Market did not get manipulated too much over here. What I mean by manipulation is that out of nowhere a big green candle, okay, the market gets manipulated. So let's check this. Okay, let me show you 110. Okay, see, 1.5, 110, and then it went up, and then it went down a bit, and then the EOD concept came up. So Be careful if you have any PE position in these spot, because it can hit you bad. All right, it really gets manipulated by the European market. An Indian market is really small to manipulate. It's nothing. Bank Nifty showing a continuous weakness. So Titan, you are at a good amount of profit right now. Make sure that you exit over here at 1604. Okay, and trail it right now. Trail it, or to be on the safer side, exit the trade. I would recommend, if you got 4 5 points, just exit the trade. A very strong stock, I would not uh, put my money on it to go down, but it will go down a bit, but be careful. Bank Nifty showing weakness once again. Good bro, just observing the market, doing paper trading now. That's a good thing which you are doing, Vijay, because once your psychology is hurt, then you would be making consistent losses, not profit. Your psychology needs to be in place. Okay, and I would recommend for you, Vijay, you can go for options selling. Okay, do options selling. First procedure which I would tell you, and a very simple process is, today no trades, just paper trading. When opportunity comes, one to catch it. Okay, so do option selling, Vijay, for you. Why I am saying this, because you like to trade in OTM options. Instead of buying the OTM options, you go for a short position in the OTM option, both call and put. Okay, and hold the position till 320. Hold it till 315 or 320 and square it off. You will always be at a profit. And OTM, by OTM what I mean is far OTM. Okay, so that would be really good for you, but obviously you need to maintain a good amount of margin in your account, and the profitability would be really low, but you would be getting consistent profit in the stock market. So the process of option selling is not to directly go for option selling, but first of all you need to go and buy some fundamentally strong stocks, say Reliance, Adani Port, Titan, Maruti, Tata Motors, and all of those stocks which really do well in the long term. Okay, you have to buy those stocks and you have to hold it. After buying those stocks, you're holding a portfolio of stocks. You have diversified and hedge the diversification, not hedge, use the diversified portfolio as a collateral, pledge it. Okay, and then you can go for option selling. You'll be getting 85% to 80% margin on your holdings, and you can earn from the option selling as well from there. So double profit. Okay, for you, Vijay, I would recommend option selling. In option buying, you have incurred a lot of losses. And option buying, you have to be, you have to have that capital in your account, and you have to either wait for the target or for the stop loss. If you are doing scalping with huge volume, not scalping with like Scalping in OTM options with one or two lots, it won't work. Scalping has to be done with huge volume, otherwise your cost of trade would be higher. Okay. Ishan, have you exited Titan or are you still holding it? Don't hold it till the end of the day, okay? It can hit you badly. So Tata Motors unable to cross this support, gone down. Nifty might even reach 15,000 today. I'm really bullish about Nifty, but let's see what happens. I'm bearish about Bank Nifty. Although the chart pattern in both, both are following the same trend. Balance should be there, bro. Okay, cool. I will do normal. Don't want to buy options. Trading, want to check stocks. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Buy some fundamentally good stocks, okay, like Reliance, and use that as a collateral. Don't buy OTM options. OTM options are for selling, not buying, and for hedging. Usually, OTM options are used as a tool in the iron condor strategy. All right, when you are buying option, it's an insurance. OTM options, it's an insurance. Today is a perfect market for that strategy. Perfect. No amount of movement is there. The market will be at a range. Nothing will happen. Everyone is sleeping. Okay, bye. Today I'm going to the hospital for vaccine. Okay, to my mom. Yeah. Okay, Vijay. Have a nice day. I think I also need to go for a COVID test. ना हालत बहुत खराब है. बहुत ज्यादा. What's happening? Oh my god. That 10 still at that level. It has to cross this level. 32,905. Until and unless it does not crosses this level, Bank Nifty can't go up. It's a boring market today. I think we won't get to see any action till until 12 o'clock, until the European market opens. Hmm. Titan is going down. This, I think it almost reached my target. Almost. 1605. Now to reach. This was your target, Ishan. I hope that you have set your target. And if you have exited the market with a profit, then good, don't re-enter the market. Okay, once you have taken a profit out of the market, and today is Friday, so last trading day of the week, I don't want you guys to exit the market with a loss. All right. अदानी पोर्ट्स, चलो थोड़ा और स्टॉक्स देखते हैं थोड़ा. CDSL. इसका पीछे क्या लॉजिक है वो मुझे नहीं पता. CDSL. I hope that you guys know what CDSL is for. It's the depository for India, Central Depository for the NSE. इसने भी अपना लिस्टिंग करा दिया. फ्यूचर में हर एक कंपनी का लिस्टिंग हो जाएगा स्टॉक मार्केट में. I think the growth of the stock market and the amount of participants, especially in the young field. I mean, even if I see some of my subscribers, they are so young, even younger than me. So the amount of participants in the stock market is going to be massive. By the year 2025, we are going to see an influx of young participants in the stock market, and with that, a highly efficient stock market. So inefficiencies would be, what to say, inefficiencies would be eliminated from the stock market. Less chances of market manipulation as the liquidity increases and the spread would decrease in the market. But it's a good thing. अगर market manipulation नहीं होगा तो अच्छा है. Okay. I want to see when the stock got listed. Let's check on the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, you can see that CDSL has just made a green candle. So it got listed 17th Cup. mm, mm, June 17th. After June 17th, and made a high of कितना 484. June 17th. नहीं नहीं ये कब है ये 1st June. June, July. Okay. By July, it had, I mean, within 1 month, it had given more than 200% returns. This stock just going up and up and up. CDSL really good for the long term. Okay. Snowman Logistic isn't doing too well. I was quite bullish on this stock, but nope. I guess vaccines are not working. Our Prime Minister got the second dose yesterday. I was just watching the news. See, the market won't move only until some amount of uh, big, I mean, a big flow of funds in the market. The market is just sleeping. It's a Friday market, guys. Can't expect the market to be trending every day. Even yesterday, the market was marginally trending, not completely flat. Did show a good downtrend. Yeah, after crossing this support over here, after it had given a breakdown, it did give us a good downtrend, but not that much. I mean, none that would interest me. And you have to take into consideration the time decay which is also happening, right? Nifty is going down pretty badly. You can see there's a support over here in Bank Nifty. A good amount of support. Let's see if it crosses this level. Highly doubtful. What's the volume? 1.5 lakh on the buy side and 1.5 lakh on the selling side. So I don't think it will cross this support, guys. A buy is possible at this point. Not at this point. A buy is possible with a small stop loss. And will bounce off from here. Bouncing. It has to bounce. Bounced, bounced, and it'll go up now. Has to go up. Okay, now the selling pressure is coming in, guys. Yes, selling pressure is coming in. So now it might break it. If you have any position in C, be careful. There is a small chance that it can break it, but still not that much. But the trend is negative. Broken. So at this point your stop loss would have been hit, a small stop loss. Now it will go down beautifully. This would be the target in mind. It has to close, but wait for it to close. Very slow market. And if it forms the fourth black dog, you know what to do. Sell it on rally. Sell on rally. Oh my god. Hmm. क्रॉस नहीं कर पाया. Needs a good amount of volume to cross. That is the thing. If the volume is not coming, then it won't be able to cross it. It is quite bearish. Okay, until 1 o'clock the market will get manipulated. You guys know that. broken the support, guys. It'll go down now. Bank Nifty will go down a bit according to the price action, not according to the volume. The volume is still on the buy side. Okay, so I would recommend, please be careful with your positions. Titan, the target is hit in Titan. Okay, your target is hit, Ishan. It has broken this support also, but yeah, I think you are at a good profit now. It had made a low of 15.95. Okay, so Ishan, you are at a good profit. If you would have exited before also, that's also not a bad thing. Okay, you would still be at a profit. So yeah, and what else do we have? Okay, see, I told you, Bank Nifty is going down according to the price action, but not according to the volume. The volume is still on the buy side. 1.7 lakhs, you can see the buy volume. Okay, so I would recommend, be careful all of the put option holders. Be careful, guys, all of the put option holders. All right, Ishan, if you haven't exited it, if it crosses this support, exit the trade. Okay, you have shorted at 1612. 1612 you have shorted, so you got about 10 points now, more than 10 points running. Okay, your next target would be this, but please be careful. See, Bank Nifty is again rising, so that's why I had mentioned the same, guys. Always check the volume before entering into a trade. Is it really liquid? Will you be able to square off your position? And I'm talking about stocks. Okay, in Bank Nifty, obviously, and the liquidity is there. Uh, but in Bank Nifty, always check the buy and the sell volume before entering into any trade, and always buy on some type of support and try to sell on some type of resistance. Even if you're doing trend trading, try to sell it on some type of resistance, so that you get that marginal confidence that it won't cross that resistance. You can see Bank Nifty is trying to go up. As I had mentioned, the buy volume is still very high in Bank Nifty. And it has broken the support. Bank Nifty is trying to go up now. Hmm. Hmm. Some amount of recovery would be there by second half, and after the European market opens, the market again might fall because the overall global sentiments are not that positive because of corona. There's some third wave also coming in. Third wave, fourth wave. एक मूवी भी था, fifth wave. Friday is the best day, one of the best days to actually go for a strangle. Obviously, the value of the options won't go to zero, but still, you will get some amount of time decay at least. Hello, hello, hello. Just 1 minute, guys. I'm just coming. Hello. Mhm. Price has sustained below 32,642. Mm, well, guys, don't trade right now. Okay, wait for the market to move in a direction. It's looking very choppy. Talking about choppy, where is our choppiness index? Indicator. Choppy. Chop. GH. Okay. Choppiness index. अरे क्या हुआ? नहीं यार. Choppiness index. क्यों नहीं यार? आ ही नहीं रहा है. यहाँ पर है. You can see the choppiness is very high in the market, guys. Be careful. Okay, don't trade right now. Wait for the right opportunity, then only enter into the trade. And Titan has gone down beautifully. Even the second target got hit. Right now, Ishan, if you haven't exited, please exit the trade. Okay, exit the trade. You are at a profit. Exit it now. Barbecue Nation. Okay, Adani Ports is falling. This is something which is really interesting. Broken the support, guys. The support which I have marked, and now Adani Port will fall like a waterfall. Let's see if it crosses this trend line and this support. If it crosses both of them, we will get a clear indication that Adani Port will go down for a small retracement, but the stock is really good, guys. I would not bet my money on it. So better you buy the stock for the long term instead of shorting it. This triangle pattern which it has made. Or low. It's a bullish flag pattern, you can say. Bull flag pattern. 1, 2. I'm not counting this spike over here because basically this was just a spike, a huge spike. Okay, so that's why I did not count that. Just counting these moves where the price was ranging for a long time. स्नोमैन का तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है. अच्छा, और क्या है? इंडिया विक्स. Okay, India VIX had gone up when? When was it? 1st Feb. India VIX had gone up to 80. Okay, I guess that was the budget day. So, क्या मार्केट कैप नहीं और क्या स्टॉक्स हैं हम लोगों के पास? Oh, Tata Chemical has given a breakout. Okay, sorry, it's in the monthly chart. For stocks, let's go to the 15-minute time frame. That would be better for stock trading at least. Okay. All right. Tata Chemicals. बैंक निफ्टी को थोड़ा देखना पड़ता है, नहीं तो बैंक निफ्टी बुरा मान जाएगा. बैंक निफ्टी बुरा मान जाएगा. Oh my god. Titan is falling even further, guys. 1593. See, Adani Ports not falling anymore. I guess it's a small pullback. Let's see what happens. Adani Ports is in a clear downtrend. You can see this. In the short term, huh? Not in the long term. It's in a downtrend for the short term only. Adani Port is our star player. Let's look at some other stocks. Just dial. What's Infi doing? Infi. INFY. Infosys. Okay. Oh. Oh my god. I feel really sleepy. Okay. Mm. I think in Infosys we might experience a small amount of pullback. Infosys has gone up quite substantially. The pullback can come to this point. This point. Now Titan is giving a pullback, and Titan will go up right now. Tata Motors. अच्छा, क्या देख रहा था? Infi. Wait for the right opportunity, guys. There is no movement in the market. Tata Steel. All of the stocks which begin with Tata showing a positive trend, a very strong trend. Just look at this beauty, my god. Beautiful. 15-minute time frame. Check on the 45-minute time frame. My god. Wow. Not doing anything. Just doing time pass. This will reach 1000, no doubt about it. Very soon. 1000. Tata Steel. Railtail. I remember this IPO. Not looking really strong. This is the penny stock, guys. Don't trade in this stock. Okay. Hindustan Unilever. It's getting costlier. Good, looking good. Stocks are looking good, guys. The index, the movement is very range bound in index. Up, down, no clear trend. Very slow. Oh, right. TVS Motor has been in downtrend. What the hell? अच्छा, मोटर बाइक बिक नहीं रहा है शायद से। IGM इंदिरा गैस लिमिटेड दिल्ली का कंपनी है क्या ये? That just wasting our time, guys. Better go out, shut down your trading system, go for a घूम फिर के आओ, ओके? बाद में आके देखो, कुछ अगर हो रहा है तो ठीक है, नहीं तो नहीं। Oh. Well, let's just check this stupid bank. How is my investments doing? Mm, nothing much. Nothing much. Okay. Okay. I was at a profit, that means. Jan 1st. 18. भाई ये यस बैंक को कोई धक्का मार के उठाओ. I have some holdings over here in Yes Bank, and I think I have invested in the wrong place, guys. But yeah, for the long term, if you are uh, not willing to open this stock, I mean, open your investments for at least 10 years, then obviously this will skyrocket at least to 100 or 200 maybe. Again, you can see Bank Nifty has taken a support exactly at that point, not able to go down below that. Mm. And guys, today would be a really good day to do a BTST in Bank Nifty. Go with one lot on both sides. Exactly enter at 329. Okay, you have to enter at market 329 on both sides, and Monday you will be able to see a significant uh, rise or downfall in Bank Nifty. Usually after a gap, that is after Saturday and Sunday, Bank Nifty tends to gap up hugely, and in some cases it might gap down, but if it gaps down, that too it will do hugely. Okay, so whether it's a gap up or a gap down, if you are taking a straddle, if you are buying a straddle, then you don't have to worry much about the time decay, because the delta movement will be so good that it would offset every single aspect. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. Okay, the fourth black dog is here. But guys, you can see the buying volume is still high. That means there is some amount of strength in Bank Nifty. It's not willing to go down that easily. Continuously, I can see this, that the buying volume is 1.8 lakhs. It has been uh, surpassing the selling volume for quite some time right now. So I am a bit bullish in Bank Nifty until the European market opens, obviously. Alright, let's see what happens.
वो ट्रेन में करूँगी क्या वो इजी आएगा